What's up, Theta Network holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, I'm talking about the good news. Hope, my friends, you will feel very happy after watching this interesting video, because in this video, I'm going to show you the very happiness news for all of you. Let me show you, friends. But I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so I will give you the latest news and good news for all of you. Keep watch. Anyways, let's move on. My friends, first of all, we look the latest update of the Theta network, and after that, we discuss the good news. That what is the good news? The latest price of the Theta network in the market this time is 6.79 USD dollar. On the other side, if we look the price changes occur in the Theta network, so absolutely, my friends, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day pricing is negative, except of these last 1 hour, last 1 day, the last 1 week pricing is going positive, my friends. I'm very happy to see this kind of change continue. Now you think that why they are feeling happy? The pricing is negative, so why they are feeling happy? Now, my friends, I know about the future of Theta network on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my price prediction. Let me show you, friends, what's going on in this time in the Theta network on the price chart. You can see here, my friends, in the start of new month, that is the last 1 month price chart. In the start of May, the price of Theta network falls down, and now this time it's very badly fast down. The quick falls occur in the Theta network from yesterday, my friends. You know what? Why the price is fast down of Theta network? There is only one reason, because the short-term investor going to sell and they want profit from Theta network. In the end of month, a lot of holders going to sell. Not only Theta network holders, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, a lot of holders going to sell has coin in the last of month. So that is why the price is fast down, my friends. And now the good news is that the Theta network will take a huge pump, will take the huge pump on the 1st June, my friends. On the 1st June, in the start of June, they will take a huge pump. That is my prediction and that's my opinion. You know what? After a fast series jump, and Theta network is continuously fast down from the previous last 1 month, so now it's time to take a jump, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Theta? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more of this kind of news and updates videos.